Hello, students. Hope you are doing well. So here we have this next question to the same text. So the text gives us the direction that there is a passage below, which is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each questions. So as far as I believe that you must have gone through the text, and I give you the some uh, ideas about this particular text. Let's move to the question here. The question here points out which of the following describes the author's view of the current understanding of heaven among their students the best. Now, look into that. Now, what does it say? Which of the following describes the author's view of the author's view is what? Now, that's called as a current understanding of heaven among their students the best. Now, look at the options. The first option points out the author is not sure about the spatial understanding of heaven among their students. Second said, the author believes their students primarily reject the concept of heaven. Third, it is also said the author believes that students universally conceptualize heaven as an abstract dimension. And the fourth one said the author believes that students consider heaven as an earth centered concept. Now, if I look into the first option where it is stated the author is not sure about the spatial understanding of heaven among their students, so this is a possibility on the basis of the passage. Yet it seems incorrect because the author mentions that students have a different view. Different view. Different view of what? Different view. Different view of heaven. Heaven. But does not specify actually. Right. But does not specify whether they are sure, certain, or uncertain. Certain or uncertain, isn't it? So, in that case, it is wrong to assume that the author is unsure about the spatial understanding of heaven among their students will be incorrect in the context or context of the question. Question number 2 points out here that what means the author believes their students primarily reject the concept of heaven. So the passage does not indicate that students reject the concept of heaven. It mentions that what? It mentions that students or they have a they have a different understanding. They have a different understanding. They have a different understanding, but not necessarily rejection. So it is wrong to assume that uh, they they primarily reject the concept of heaven, which is not correct to the text or question's key ideas. So look at the option 3. Option 3 said the author believes that students universally conceptualize heaven as an abstract dimension. Yes, you can say that the author believes that students universally conceptualize heaven as an abstract dimension. Now, this option makes a kind of a best choice because the passage states that students view heaven as a location, but as a different plane of reality, or perhaps you can say another dimension, another dimension, isn't it? So that's why you can point out which is nothing but the means author's view, right? Now look into the option 4 here. Option 4 said the author believes that students consider heaven as an earth center concept. So it is not mentioned actually in the passage. The passage talks about the shift from an earth centered to a sun centered universe, but not how students view heaven. Right. So therefore, this makes the key of the question wrong. So we'll go for the option 3, which is the correct answer to the question. So what is that? The author believes that students universally conceptualize heaven as an abstract dimension. I hope you understood. That's all. Thank you.